At the end of this lesson, teachers will be able to categorize adjectives into adjectives of quality, quantity, and number. They will be able to identify and use adjectives of each type. You already know that adjectives are words that describe nouns. Adjectives are typically placed right before a noun or after a to-be verb. Adjectives can be classified into different categories. Today, we will learn about adjectives of quality, quantity, and number. Click here to find out about adjectives of quality. Click here to find out more about adjectives of quantity and number. Adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number are quite similar. Before we learn the ways in which they are different, let's recap the concept of countable and uncountable nouns. The adjective countable means something that we are able to count. That is, a countable noun is a noun that we can count. An uncountable noun is a noun that we cannot count. Look at your hands. Can you count them? That's right. We have 2 hands. Now look at your skin. Can you count it? No. Did you notice that we do not add an S to make uncountable nouns plural? That is because uncountable nouns are only used in their singular form. Now that we have learned about countable and uncountable nouns, we can go on to learn about adjectives of quantity and number. Adjectives of quantity are words that we use to describe the quantity of uncountable nouns. That is, to describe how much of an uncountable noun there is. There is lots of snow. Can you click on the adjective of quantity in this sentence? Lots. The word lots describes the amount of snow. Adjectives of number answer the question how many. They are used to describe countable nouns only. How many books are there on your desk? There are 5 books on my desk. Can you click on the adjective of number in this sentence? The word 5 is an adjective of number that describes how many books there are on the desk. We can only use adjectives of number with countable nouns. We cannot use them with uncountable nouns. For example, I could not say there were 5 rains or there was 1 salt. Instead, I would use adjectives of quantity to describe these nouns. Some adjectives can be used with uncountable nouns as adjectives of quantity, and with countable nouns as adjectives of number. Here is a list of some common adjectives and how they are used. Click on each adjective to see some examples. Learning about different kinds of adjectives not only gives us a deeper understanding of the concept, but also helps us place adjectives correctly. Sometimes we use 2 to 3 adjectives to describe the same noun. When we are using more than one adjective to describe a noun, we have to follow a certain order. Click on the example here that you think is correct. The words naughty and too are both adjectives modifying the nouns Fahad and Arif, but only the second sentence is correct. This is because adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number always come before adjectives of quality. Drag the nouns into the proper columns.